today we are going to eat a 1500 rupee burger. So let's go. Oh, I thought I forgot my password. By the way, that's the safest password ever. Now that, my friends, is a 1500 rupee burger. So this is how the 1500 rupee burger is served. This is my hand and this is the package. Let's open it and see, let's unwrap this and see how it looks from inside. ₹1,500. So that's the burger, and you have some sides. And I don't know why we have the blank space, maybe to eat. We have another thing over here, which I guess is fries. Yeah, it is fries. Before eating, let me just check if there's gold in it. Bun, caramelized onions, cheese, patty, bacons, fried egg, cucumber, tomato, lettuce and more mayo. So, no gold. Not sure if I can eat it. I can definitely eat it, but you know, like this. No. My mouth is not that big. That's what he said. Juicy. Definitely good. But 1,500. This actually weighs around, I would say 400 to 500 grams. So this is heavy, both literally and figuratively. I don't like tomatoes, but this is costly. I would say a slice of tomato, the entire thing, I think at least cost 5 rupees. 5-10 rupees. I don't want to waste it. One important factor when we talk about cost is, you might be thinking, how big is this burger? My hands. So to put it in a metric sense, I would say this, the height is around 3 inches and the length will be 5 to 6. That's what she said. 5 to 6 inches. So 3 by 5. Not huge. It's big, but it's not that big. Again, that's what she said. If my salary was 10 lakh rupees a month, I would say, yeah, it's okay. It's good. I mean, okay. If my salary was 1 lakh, I'm like, but okay. Okay, I just tried something new. Good, okay, not a major dent. But if my salary was 10,000 rupees, then I would be literally surprised. 1,500 for this? So that the worth part depends on perspective. If I have to speak for the majority, I think this is very costly. And I'll be staying hungry for 2 weeks. So that's the bill. You can see the hamburger which we had cost 1,099, and the service charge and there's GST, lot of GSTs, and the payment is 1426.50 plus some tip, and it's almost 1500 rupees. So that was the video about a 1500 rupee burger. I was just about to say $1,500. If you want to see more of such impulsive spend videos, do subscribe to the channel and fuel my fantasies. Bye. I'm in so much pressure to eat this burger. Till now, I think I've eaten about 500 rupees of the burger. 1000 remains.